Oh!
Yeah, you can do it.
Well, just because you look like an Ivy Leaguer doesn't mean you really are.
Go on, push it. Push that thing.
That might actually help them walk a little bit.
Yeah.
Push it. Go. Go.
Oh.
No, we got you that too. Oh, no, this one. Woo. No, it doesn't work that way.
So how the heck?
Oh, he wants to play with them, that's why. Okay. Oh.
Ah.
Use your bat. Don't hit the dog. Oh, look at this. Oh, Pam. Huh? While you're here, I have to tell you and Kelly this. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll wait.